Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 13th of June, 2024. Sensex and Nifty pulled back from their record high but managed to close in the positive territory on June 13th. Nifty 50 and Sensex hit an intraday high of 23,481 and Sensex rose to a record 77,145. At close, the Sensex was up 204 points or 0.3% at 76,810 and the Nifty 50 was up 77 points at 23,399. Shriram Finance, HDFC Life, Divi's Labs, and M&M were the top gainers on Nifty 50, rising 3 to 5%. HUL, Britannia, Axis Bank, and ICA Motors were amongst the worst hit as they fell 1 to 2%. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of GENSOL Engineering were locked at 5% upper circuit on June 13 after the company emerged as a successful bidder for the 250 MW per 500 MWh standalone battery energy storage systems project worth 1,340 rupees from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. This project would supply electricity on an on-demand basis to Gujarat state's DISCOMs during peak and off-peak hours, thereby extending renewable energy availability beyond solar hours, fulfilling energy storage purchase obligations, and enhancing grid resilience, the company said in a regulatory filing. According to the GENSOL Engineering, the project will deliver 250 MW per 500 MWh of energy for 2 charge-discharge cycles per day. There is a green shoe option of awarding a second tranche of 250 MW per 500 MWh at the discretion of GUVNL under the same terms and conditions. In the event of the exercise of the green shoe option, the project could reach 500 MW per 1,000 MWh, potentially generating a total revenue of Rs 2,680 rupees crore over the 12-year battery energy storage purchase agreement tenure. Shares of Oracle Financial Services Software Limited rose as much as 10% and hit a 52-week high of 9,617.10 rupees after its parent company Oracle Corp reported strong earnings overnight in the US. The stock has gained a whopping 130% in 6 months, outperforming the Nifty 50 by a huge margin which gained 12% in the same period. Oracle Corp reported better than expected bookings and announced partnership deals with its tech rivals. Oracle Corp stock rose nearly 13% on June 12. Oracle's total remaining performing obligations increased by 44% during the quarter to $98 billion for the quarter that ended on May 31, surpassing the average estimate of $73.9 billion. Revenue from Oracle's cloud unit increased by 42% from last year to $2 billion. Total revenue increased by 3.3% to $14.3 billion. Shares of Whirlpool of India surged up to 1.8% to touch fresh 52-week high of 1,827 rupees a piece on June 13 after it announced a new marketing alliance for Surf Excel in partnership with Hindustan Unilever. So far this year, shares of Whirlpool surged over 32%, as against 7% rise in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. Earlier, Whirlpool hit fresh 52-week high of 1,836 rupees apiece on June 13, 2024. Whirlpool said that the two brands have collaborated to deliver superior cleaning performance and convenience to households. The integration of innovative technologies from both brands will help in delivering superior fabric care, improving the daily laundry process, and resulting in an enhanced customer experience, they added in an exchange filing. Shares of EXIDE Industries Limited gained over 1% to hit a fresh record high of 549 rupees on June 13 afternoon trade, following the company's 75 rupees crore investment in EXIDE Energy Solutions Limited, an existing wholly subsidiary. The latest capital infusion will amount to the total investment made by the battery major at 2,452 rupees crore, the company said in a regulatory filing on June 12. The subsidiary is involved in the manufacturing battery cells of advanced chemistry as well as assembling, selling battery modules, battery packs and other related activities. Bharat Rasan Limited in daily time frame is trading around 12,500.90 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 62.08 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 10,684.43, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.73. IVP Limited in daily time frame is trading around 195.75 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 98.41,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 168.84, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.67. Kaya Limited in daily time frame is trading around 390.65 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.082 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 314.87, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70. For the stock recommendation we have, JSW Infrastructure Limited looks good and can be bought at 291 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 276 rupees and a target of 306 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.